Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video and in the next video we will learn about split pages. So there might be two scenarios in which you want to split the pages from the PDF. So in the first, for example, this is a PDF and this PDF has 3 pages. Okay, so you might want to extract all pages in separate files. So in this case, this split will make 3 files and each file has a single page. The second scenario is, for example, we have one PDF in which we have 50 pages and we want to extract a range from this PDF and want to make only a single file. So for example, we want to extract a page range from 20 to 35 and we want to make the PDF of these pages. So there are two scenarios. So in the first video, that is this video, we will learn how to do this, and in the next video we will learn how to do this. Okay, so let's move to the IntelliJ IDEA for the practical. So friends, this is our basic project in which we have already added here. You can see we have already added PDFBox library. So the first thing, we need to make a file object in which we will hold the path of target PDF, that is source PDF. So file, and we will call it old file. And here we have to put the path. Okay, so before that press Alt Enter here and import file java.io. Now we need to put path here and then semicolon. So path is this. Okay, C drive PDF, and this is the source PDF. So let me open this PDF. This is our source PDF, that is help of Adobe InCopy. Okay, so this PDF has 335 pages and we want to split all pages in separate files. So let's close this, and here C drive PDF, then sample.pdf. C drive PDF sample.pdf. Okay, now we have path and we want to load this file in this project. So for that, ed document pd document dot load and put old file here. Okay, semicolon, and now you can see one red line here, and this is for the exception. So press Alt Enter and add exception to method signature. Now we need to create one splitter object. So splitter and here splitter equal to new splitter. Okay, Now we can just call this splitter dot split, and we can put document, then it will split all the pages and return a list of that pages. Okay, so we will catch that in a list object, list, and its type will be pd document, and name split pages. Okay, so press alt enter and import class. So basically we will call this splitter dot split and provide this document, and it will return a list of pd documents. Okay, so all the list we will catch in this object split pages. Now we need to make separate files of these pages, and for that we will use for loop. pd document, and for example my doc, and here split pages. Okay, now each time when this for loop will run, a single pd document will go in this object, and we will do some operation, that is we will save that pdf in the memory, and next time when this loop will run, another page will go here and we will save that in the memory. So what we need to do, just my doc dot save, and here we will put the path of the memory. So in the C drive, in the PDF, we have one directory, that is extract. Okay, so let me delete this. So basically we will save here. Okay, so just copy the path, extract, then file name. So each time we need to have a different file name, otherwise it will override. So we will save split underscore 0, then we will put number, .pdf, and here we will put number, that is num, and this num will be here, int num equal to 1. Okay, so first time split underscore 0 1 dot pdf, second time split underscore 0 2 dot pdf. So this will be the file name, and next num plus plus, and each time we need to close this my doc. So my doc dot close. Okay, and when this operation will done, we need to put a message. So system split done. So let's try to run this. And here you can see split done, and this is the folder in which we can see all the pages in different files. So this is the 335. Let's open one, that is first. Okay, so you can see the first page here. So this was a simple example how to extract a PDF in separate pages, and in the next video we will learn how to split pages from a range. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next. Till then, bye.